If you've ever noticed your computer running a little slower, even after you've closed Google Chrome, you're definitely not alone. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to stop Chrome from running background apps after you shut it down, giving your system a bit of a break and possibly saving battery life too. Let's get started. The first step is to open up your Google Chrome browser. You can do this by simply double-clicking the Chrome icon wherever you keep it, on your desktop, your taskbar, or just search for it in your Start menu. Make sure Chrome is fully open and ready to go. If you have multiple windows or tabs, that's totally fine. This setting change won't affect what you're currently browsing. Next, look up at the top right corner of Chrome. You'll see a little icon that looks like 3 vertical dots. Think of this as Chrome's menu button. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. You might see a drop-down menu with options like New Tab, History, and Downloads. From here, choose Settings. Settings is usually near the bottom of the menu, and it's where all the behind-the-scenes controls for Chrome live. Once you've clicked Settings, Chrome will display a new page full of different options and preferences. Take a moment here. Don't worry, you won't break anything by pausing to look around. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a kind of sidebar with more categories. What you want to find now is called System. Sometimes, depending on your Chrome version, you might have to scroll down a bit to see it, or you may find it directly in the sidebar. Click on System to open up those options. All right, now for the key moment. In the System settings, you'll see a switch labeled Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. This is the feature responsible for keeping certain apps and processes alive, even after you close Chrome. For example, things like Google Hangouts or certain extensions sometimes keep running, which can drain resources and battery, especially on laptops. To turn this off, simply click the switch or toggle so it sets to disabled. The change should take effect immediately, but if you're not sure, you can close Chrome and reopen it again to double-check. By disabling this feature, you're telling Chrome, when I close you, I mean it. No more running apps in the background. And there you go, that's really all it takes. This setting is especially handy if you're noticing slowdowns, or if your laptop battery isn't lasting as long as it used to. Don't worry, your extensions and apps will still work while Chrome is open. They just won't stick around after you've closed the browser. Take a moment to pat yourself on the back for learning something new. Sometimes it's the small tweaks that make a surprisingly big difference in how your computer feels day to day. If this video helped you solve the problem, make sure to hit that like button and consider subscribing for more straightforward tech tips. If you have any questions, run into any issues, or just want to share your experience, leave a comment below. I always read them and try to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.